Can you guessing? Okay. What is this? Can you guessing, everyone? Okay. And then let's see this one. What is this? Can you tell me, everyone? Okay. And then we coloring. Okay, so now can you guess the character? Okay, right now I'm put with the arm. So now everyone can guessing, right? I think everyone know the character is right. Okay. Okay. So right now we just do the coloring. Coloring we will draw with the green. Green for the bamboo. See, the green color is bamboo. Okay, this is bamboo, and then our coloring with the black color on the bear. You see bear. Okay, we coloring with the ear. Okay, we draw next. Drawing. Okay, everyone, this is the bear. Bear is the black color. Okay, and the eye is black, more black. Okay, and then we will put the some pink color on the bear. Okay, finish.
Wow!